Yeah, hello and welcome to my channel. Yeah, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to buy a domain name and hosting, and also how to create a webmail, a forwarder, and also an autoresponder. So lastly, we are going to be teaching you how to install WordPress on your site. So the first thing we want to do right now is to go to our browser. Once we open our browser, go to one of the sites where we can buy hosting. For this video I'll be using qserver.net. So once you come to the site, you have to decide a name for your domain. So you come to the search bar here, then you type your domain name to check if the domain you want to buy is available. So I'll be using JDream. JDreamWebs.com.ng. So let's check if it's available. Click on the search button. So you see, congratulations, jdreamswebs.com.ng is available. So the next thing you want to do right now is scroll down, then click on continue. So you can continue the process of buying the domain. So we have to get a hosting too for our domain. So you click on this no hosting, click to add. So you click on this, then you have to choose a hosting plan. Then click on this order now right here. Click on continue. So on this plan I'm going to be choosing this 700 naira monthly for this video. I just want to do it monthly, so you can get a domain as cheap as like altogether like 1,700. So I'll be buying this hosting for 700 naira. Then I'll click on continue. So here we have it, we have hosting already. Then click on continue. So this is the total sum of what you are buying. The hosting is 700 naira and your domain name registration is just 1,000 naira, in total of 1,700. So in this section you have to log in and you have to create an account. Since you're a new customer, just put in your details here, your name, your last name, your password, and your address. Then click on submit. But I'm already an existing customer, so I'll be clicking on existing customer to log in. I'll input my email here and my password should be right here. Then I'll scroll down to click on this. I've read and agreed to terms of service. Then click on checkout. So they'll be giving you an invoice of your purchase. Yeah, this is the invoice right here. This is the invoice of your purchase and the account number where you will be sending the money. So they have Zenith Bank right here and GT Bank. So you can send the money to any of these account numbers. So since you dropped your email on this earlier, they will be sending an email to you automatically for just your purchase. So let me go check my email right now. Let's go to my Gmail. Oh yeah, they've sent the order confirmation. So this is my order confirmation. All I need to do is to send money to their account and they will send me my login details. Please note, whenever you are sending a money to the account to buy a domain name and hosting, please, your domain name should appear as the depositor's name. Don't put your name, they don't know you. You should put your domain name as the depositor, please, so they would know you are the one paying for the domain. So they will send you your login details. Once you make your payment, you should be expecting your login details. So I'll check in for my login details here. Okay, this is right here, qserver web hosting. So this is my login details right here. my username and my password. So I'll just log into the cPanel, because your cPanel is where you'll be doing most of the work. So just click on the site here, jadimsweb.com.ng/cPanel. So you put in your password and your username, then you click on login. So that's it. We have logged into our cPanel. It's just as easy as that. You can buy your domain name within some minutes and your hosting is ready. So the first thing we are going to be doing in this video is to create a webmail. So the next thing is to create a webmail. Then you scroll down and click on this email account. Click on email accounts to create an email. You come right here to click on create. This create button here, click on create. Then you enter the email you want to create. You don't need to put your domain name anymore, it's already here. So you can just put something like support. So we are having support@jadimsweb.com.ng. So let's generate a password from here. Please do copy your password and save it in. Copy your password and save it in a notepad. So let's save it right here. And the next thing is just to click on create. Click on create an email account. So yeah, that's it. Our email account is successfully created. So it's just as easy as that. You create your email, your webmail, sorry. So you create your webmail. So the next thing we want to do right now is to create a forwarder and autoresponder for this webmail. So you go back to your cPanel right here, click on cPanel, then you click on forwarders. This is the forwarder right here. Then you click on forwarder, you click on add forwarder here, this first blue button here, click on add forwarder, then you put the name here, the name of the webmail you want to add the forwarder for. So that's support@jadimsweb.com.ng. So you scroll down and put in this section. You're going to be putting the email you want the webmails. Any email that comes into your webmail will practically go into this your personal email. So sometimes you might not be able to access your webmail. Maybe you're not on your system to access your webmail. So the essence of this forwarder is, once you put your Gmail or any of your mail you are using on your phone, any email that is sent to that webmail, you will get it on your personal email directly, immediately. Just within seconds you get the same message, so you can go and check your webmail later. So I'm going to be putting my personal Gmail here, and that's it. The next thing is just to click on add forwarder. So it's done. The next thing we'll do right now is to go back to the cPanel to create our autoresponder. So our autoresponder is just, so let's click on autoresponder, then click on add autoresponder. So right here you're going to be putting the email, the webmail, sorry, you're going to be adding the webmail here. So let's put support@jadimsweb.com. You don't need this, just the support. So this is where we are going to be composing the autoresponder. So this autoresponder is just an automatic reply to anybody that sends a mail to this particular webmail. So if anybody sends a mail to support@jadimsweb.com.ng, this autoresponder we want to create right now is what the person will get. So sometimes you wonder when you send people an email and within seconds you receive a response. This is what they do. So let's create it from here. So you put the webmail here, then you put a subject. Let's just say something like thank you, and the body of the message will be like, see, thanks for contacting us. That's all. Let's just keep it as simple as that. So this is just like you're composing a normal message now. So the next thing you do is just to click on create, and that's it. Our autoresponder is created successfully. So let's go back to our cPanel and let's check this out, whether it actually really worked. So you click on email account again, so you can log into your webmail. So this is the particular webmail we are working on. So you come to check email here, just click on check email right here, click on check email. So it's going to take you to the webmail. So you click on open. So yeah, this is our webmail, support@jadensweb.com.ng. So right now what we want to do is want to test this our webmail. So we are going to be sending a message to this email. So we are going to be creating, let me try to compose a message. Let me log into another Gmail of mine. No. Yeah, let me log into this. So I'll be using this to compose an email to send to the webmail. So I'm going to be pasting the webmail here, which is where we are sending the email to, and subjects need help. So let's just say hello, I need more info. That's all. So let's just click on send and wait for the message to send. So the message is sent. Let's go and check our webmail. Maybe the message has been delivered. Here's our webmail. Let's reload. The message is not here. It's not here. Should be here. It's showing 2 messages. Okay, yeah. This is the message. It came from my other Gmail. So the message has been delivered. So our webmail is actually working. So let's check if the autoresponder is active. So let's go back to the Gmail. Wow, the autoresponder is active. This message was sent automatically by support@jadensweb.com. So as you can see, this was the message we composed earlier for the autoresponder. So the autoresponder is working perfectly. So let's go check our forwarder. This is my Gmail that I left for the forwarder. So let's go to the primary message to check. No message yet. Let's reload. No message yet. So let's check our spam. Let's check the spam. Okay, it should be here. Yeah, this is the message was forwarded. So this is hello, I need more info. So this was the message we sent earlier to this webmail. So it automatically forwarded to our normal email. So and I'm checking my phone right now. I've seen it there. So this is just as simple as what you've seen just right now. So the next thing we want to do right now is to download WordPress on our site. So let's come to the search bar here, then you type Softaculous. So this is Softaculous app installer. You click on it. Then we are installing WordPress. Just click on install. The next thing you want to do in this section, all you need to do right here is in this place that they wrote WP. it is called in directory. It's just like having another site inside your domain. This is the main domain, but let's say you don't want to create this WordPress on your main domain. We are just using this for practical, so we are going to be using this will just be an extension of your site. So it will be just slash something. So let's say slash ngo. Let's say slash ngo. So that's it, slash ngo. So the website will be jjonesweb.com.ng/ngo. So the next thing you want to do is to edit the password here. You edit the password. Please put a password you can easily remember. So this password is strong enough. The next thing you want to do is, in this section you have to change your site name and description. In this site name you can put something like let's put ngo site, ngo sites. Okay, let's type something like help the needy. So in this section is where, okay, let me open a site for you so you can see. So this will be showing when you open the site, something like this, Q server hosting. It will be something like this instead of it just showing my blog. So it's not professional for you to just leave it that way. So you put something about that site right here. So you then scroll down and just click on install. So it's as easy as that. Our WordPress has been installed. So we are going to be visiting our site. The first link right here is the front end, and the second link is the back end. So this is the back end. This is where most of the work will be. This is where we do most of the editing of your sites. So once you install any WordPress on your site, please, the first thing you need to install is a plugin called Classic Editor, please. So on this site where we have the dashboard, home, post, media, pages, comment, appearance, plugins, users, tools and settings, you just click on plugins, then you come to add new. Once you click on add new, you just come to this Classic Editor and click on install now. Once you are done installing, please activate immediately. So that's the first thing. So let's go and check our site, how it looks like. This is just a WordPress site. It's as dry as this. So but we are going to be installing a theme that will make it beautiful. So let's go back home and click on appearance, then click on themes. So we are going to be using a theme. This theme we are going to be using is called the DIVI theme. We are going to be using the DIVI theme. The DIVI theme, you can actually buy it from Elegant Themes. You can buy it from Elegant Themes. So click on DIVI theme, then you open it. Let's go to Elegant Theme to check DIVI theme out. Let's close this and this. Let's install now. Let's go to the Elegant Theme. Elegant Themes. Sorry. elegantthemes.com. So this DIVI theme, let's see the price of DIVI theme. Yeah, where's the price? Where's the price? Where's the price? Okay. So this is the DIVI theme. These are all the things you're going to get when you buy a DIVI theme. You're going to be getting all this as an extension on it. DIVI social, mini cards, DIVI carousel, A lot of things are on DIVI. In fact, you get about 200 plus layouts to work with. So, and I think the cost is kind of, let's check the price right now. The price of DIVI theme now is $300. So you know how much this is in naira. It's about 120 something, or so, if I'm not mistaken. 300 to naira. So this is 223,000 if you want to buy this theme on Elegant Themes. So, but since you're watching my video, I'm going to be giving you this DIVI theme as a gift for just 10,000 naira. Yes, you heard me right, 10,000 naira only. I'll be giving you this theme. So I'll be dropping my WhatsApp number in the description box below. So if you need this wonderful theme, just chat me up on WhatsApp and I'll be sending this theme to you. So let's continue. So good, our DIVI theme is installed already. Then you just click on activate. So once you activate, the first thing you need to do is to update this DIVI theme. Then you click on DIVI theme. You scroll down here and click on DIVI theme. Click on theme option. So on this heading here, you see general navigation, builder, layouts, ads, and SEO integration and updates. So please click on updates. So this particular theme, they do upgrade it because DIVI theme is a very good theme. So they upgrade it from time to time. So this is the key to always update it. And as a gift too, I'll be giving you this theme. So you are going to be having the theme for life, like forever. Anytime they update it, all you need to do is just to copy the username and the key to update it, and that's all. So let's copy the key. Then you come here and paste it. The next thing you do is just to click on save changes, and that's all. So now I want to change our site to make it look beautiful. So you click on pages, then click on add new pages right here. So we are going to be creating a page. So you just, let's create a page. Let's name it home. So you click on updates and publish, click on publish right here. Then you come here and click on use the DIVI builder. Then click on start building. Click on start building. So we're going to be using a layout. So just click on browse layout.